Okay, I'm going to show you a problem that I had with my 94 Ranger, that it wasn't starting. This is, I'll show you a 94 Ranger. Looks similar to this. It's a 4-cylinder. The starter is actually here. Right below here is the starter, passenger back left side if you're facing the vehicle. That is where the starter is at, right below here. So the problem was that it had this connector on there for the ignition, I believe. So this was the problem. The wires was corroded and loose. So I was just gonna replace the solenoid, but somebody had told me it wouldn't start one day. So someone told me to just go underneath there and hit it, but I didn't know where it was at, and I couldn't find any video to show me where it was at. And it's right back here if you're looking at the engine. So if you're looking at the engine, it's right down here. So instead of hitting the starter, I hit the move the wires around, and the truck started. So since then, and one of the wires had just like a press on clip, just like that, and the other one was a larger one. Since then though, once I bought the new starter, Ford explained the problem, that this sometimes get loose or corroded from the elements. There's no protection around it, and as you can see, if you can read that there, it tells you. And they provided you with the new fix for it. It's called the ellipse post type. Basically, you have to crimp this wire here, just clip that off, and then strip part of the wire off and insert it inside here, as so. Crimp it down like you see with the picture there, and then melt with a lighter, just melt it around there so the wires won't be exposed to the elements anymore. And that solved the problem, just like they said it would, and I didn't have to worry about the truck not started anymore. But that is the solution. That is the solution to the problem. So if you're in a 94 Ranger, mine was a 4-cylinder, isn't starting, what you could do is use something to stick down there and move the wires around. Just move them a little bit, and it should start. If you're having a similar problem that I was having, wasn't nothing really wrong with the starter itself. It was just the wires. But since I was down there and I was messing with it, I said I was gonna go ahead and replace the starter. I was not going to fiddle with that again. I just got one with a lifetime warranty from Advance Auto, and I used the coupon, and it was a little under, right around $100 after the core and everything. And again, that's the location. I had a hard enough time trying to figure out. Just look down, straight down from here, and you could see that starter. I had a hard time finding some information on that. So that should fix your 94 Ranger not starting problem if it's a starter issue, and that should take care of it. This is Robert with Gen X Computers. Thanks for watching the video.